Sorry if I didn't film that particularly well.
Shame, bro. All alone. Hello.
Just gonna do a shoot with the Ames GT now.
Enjoy.
And then we're gonna go to Sea Point afterwards.
Palace.
He has arrived.
He has arrived.
Just gonna shoot this car for a bit. It's got some nice wheels on.
How's it?
How's it, man?
Where must I go? Just go up, just go up. Don't go fast. Stay right or stay left? Stand there on, he's still going up, isn't he?
Getting the shots. Ferrari 400 that we saw at the Italian meet. Giving us a thumbs up there.
Brand new 992 turbo cab.
That's nice.
Wing up, bro.
Excellent. So we're on our way to see something quite unfortunate.
So you see tire marks here. Must have absolutely fucked the pole.
Look at the push there.
Completely. So if you guys want some carbon 720S parts for your car, sorted. Jesus Christ. Moving the parts away so you can tow it. Jesus fuck. And Brad literally was with these cars yesterday doing a photo shoot with these cars. I don't know where the Performante is. This is unfortunate.
Turn the steering straight. Bro.
Oh my And he literally brought this car and his Performante down for the weekend. And this is the result.
This is the liquor place. Yeah, you see it over there. There's the park. You see the blue sticking out. It's a park. You can park right here actually.
In the parking lot.
Like right here. Like, yeah, there's a park.
Yeah, something terrible has happened.
Like surreal.
Well, there she goes. The last time you'll see her. And that's that. Still some pieces lying around.
That thing was completely messed up.
That's just the Huracan Performante. We just want action. Okay, let's see if they put foot.
Second McLaren crash for today?
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Shame. We don't want to coax him into another crash. Well, not him.
Yeah, look at those doors.
That's super golf.
Friend Rico.
That car will never get old.
Whap.
Oh, and the white one's further back. The white one's just go.
Car's covering it, can't see it. Got another one coming.
Eventually. It's the next car that's going to come here. It's the next one that's going to come here.
We're blocked away. Blocked again.
Another one somewhere.
For the love of our people, always wear a mask in public and follow the 5 golden rules. Wash your hands or sanitize. Don't touch your face. Keep 1.5 meters apart. Cover your cough. If you are sick, stay at home.
Yeah, that
Together
Anakin.
we can fight.
Yo, is that a V80?
Ryan told me to vlog this. He thought it would be interesting. So if you don't find it interesting, blame Ryan.
And a Supra.
And a Supra.
Yes. Nice car, sir.
Hey, man.
Remote!
AC. No, AC exclusive.
Oh, he's a
My
puss.
auto.
No,
My
my auto.
Oh,
Supra. Is that a Supra?
It's just a random vlog.
Money.
Is that a Supra?
BMW Z4?
Does he look?
Is that a Supra?
Is that a BMW Z4?
Yeah. Oh.
Ribbit!
So we just saw a Ferrari 812. We're going to see if we can track him down. Just so we can show you guys. Beautiful spec. Found it. Yes, got behind it. That thing's so beautiful. And there she is in all her glory. And that's all you're gonna get.